Imagine a microscopic instruction manual hidden inside every cell of your body, a guide that has been meticulously crafted over millions of years. This is your DNA, the blueprint of life, a complex molecule that holds the instructions for building and maintaining you. It dictates your hair color, your height, even your predisposition to certain diseases, influencing countless aspects of your physical and mental traits. DNA is the ultimate code, passed down through generations, shaping who you are, connecting you to your ancestors and descendants. But it's more than just a static set of instructions, it's a living document that evolves and adapts. It's a dynamic story, constantly interacting with the environment, telling the tale of life itself, responding to changes and challenges. Understanding DNA is like unlocking a secret language, a language that scientists are still learning to read and interpret. This language tells the story of your ancestry, your health, and even your potential, offering insights into your past and future. By deciphering this language, we can unlock new possibilities for treating diseases, understanding ourselves, and shaping the future of our species, paving the way for groundbreaking advancements. Join me as we journey into the fascinating world of genetics, exploring the profound implications of the code that makes you, and discovering the endless possibilities it holds for humanity. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule shaped like a twisted ladder, also known as a double helix. This structure is fundamental to all living organisms. Each rung of this ladder is made up of pairs of 4 chemical bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C. These bases are the building blocks of DNA. These bases pair up in a specific way, A with T and G with C. This pairing is crucial for the DNA's ability to replicate and function. The sequence of these base pairs forms the genetic code, much like the order of letters forms words and sentences. This code is what determines our genetic traits. Within DNA are sections called genes. These genes are specific sequences of base pairs that encode instructions. Genes are like individual recipes in the cookbook of life, each one providing a unique set of instructions for building and maintaining an organism. They carry instructions for building proteins, the workhorses of our cells. Proteins perform a vast array of functions within living organisms. These proteins control everything from our eye color to our ability to digest food. They are essential for virtually every process in our bodies. Genes are organized on structures called chromosomes. These chromosomes ensure that DNA is accurately copied and distributed in the process of cell division. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, one set inherited from each parent. This inheritance is what makes each individual unique. Occasionally, changes occur in the DNA sequence called mutations. These mutations can alter the genetic code. These mutations can be beneficial, harmful, or have no noticeable effect. They are a natural part of evolution and genetic diversity. Think of twins, separated at birth. They share identical DNA, the very blueprint of life that dictates so much of who we are. Often they grow up to have surprisingly similar personalities and preferences, even if they were raised in completely different environments. This highlights the powerful influence of genes, showing us how much of our behavior and traits are pre-programmed. But what about their differences? Despite their identical DNA, they can still be quite different. This is where nurture comes in. The environments they grow up in, the people they interact with, and the experiences they have all play a crucial role. Our environment, experiences, and lifestyle choices interact with our genes, shaping us in unique ways. For example, imagine you inherit a gene that makes you prone to a certain disease. This genetic predisposition is just one part of the story. Whether or not you actually develop that disease can be influenced by factors like diet, exercise, and exposure to toxins, which can either mitigate or exacerbate the risk. This interplay between nature and nurture is complex and fascinating, revealing the dynamic relationship between our genetic makeup and our lived experiences. It reminds us that while our genes provide a blueprint, they are not our destiny. We have the power to influence how that blueprint is expressed, making choices that can lead to healthier and more fulfilling lives. We are living in an era of unprecedented discovery in genetics. Scientists are developing revolutionary technologies like CRISPR, which allows us to edit genes with incredible precision. Imagine correcting genetic defects, boosting our immune systems, or even designing new organisms. The possibilities seem endless. Understanding your own DNA can be empowering. Genetic testing can reveal your ancestry, providing a glimpse into your family's past. It can also identify genetic predispositions to certain diseases, allowing you to make informed decisions about your health. The knowledge embedded in our DNA is a powerful tool. As we unlock its secrets, we gain the potential to shape our own destinies, leading healthier, longer, and more fulfilling lives.